What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you that this asset is probably nearing its bottom and we are about to see an U-turn in its price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video just several days ago at this point and I've told you that we have to complete the entire wave to the downside. And it is the entire C wave that should have a shape of 5 waves structure. And from this top we already have this ABC correction, and the next range of potential support might be 1.618 extension level if you compare the length of the A wave from the top of the B wave. And as you can see, we hit this range and have a very good reaction from this level of $214.68. Definitely we might see this, we might have this as our lowest point, but so far we have some chances to hit even lower price targets, and somewhere here or a bit lower we might see a trend reversal. So, and all the details I will show you in just several minutes in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. So, first of all, let me show you this article, Why Tesla Stock Tumbled Today. And this article was published on Motley Fool on October 11th. And the key points are following. A monster rival, not content with simply competing in the electric vehicle space, is also muscling into the energy business. Tesla's revenue from energy is a small part of its total, yet its efforts in this space are still considerable. And right here you can see that General Motors reported that they are forming a new business concentrating on energy storage management services. And this puts the automaker on a direct competitive collision course with Tesla. And definitely it might negatively affect the price of Tesla, but in my opinion it is not the main reason why we still have a decrease in Tesla's price. Let me show you this article. We are on Bloomberg.com, and this article was published on October the 12th, and it says Musk's Twitter buyout gambit is getting costlier by the day. And the key points are following. Annual interest will hit nearly $1.2 billion if a deal happens. Half of the $13 billion debt from Musk LBO is floating rate. And definitely, I've told you this in my previous video that for now we have a lot of uncertainties of the deal itself, will it happen or not. And the $13 billion stake should be financed by loans. And because of this information that almost $6.5 billion of debt has the floating rate, we have a lot of bearish pressure on this deal, because Musk has to pay more interest rates because of the interest rate hike, and definitely it will make this deal much more costly than he expected earlier. And that's why we have a lot of bearish pressure on Tesla stock, because Musk has to have enough collateral in order to secure these loans. And definitely this might negatively affect the price of Tesla stock, because for now the only collateral that he can afford is Tesla's stock. So, and let me show you another article that was published on Seeking Alpha on October 11th, and that is titled Tesla Q3, Watch Out for $175 Entry Opportunity. And the summary is following. Based on the price movements caused by its 2022 Q3 delivery and AI day, I foresee Tesla stock a $175 to $250 traded window in the near future, till the Q4 delivery. This article will detail my analysis of these trigger points, so investors can better prepare for its incoming Q3 earnings report. I see more downside than upside in near term, although a $175 price, if reached, would represent an excellent entry point for both swing trading and long-term holding. And I will put the link on this article in the description below. I have to say that the author of this article is quite bearish on Tesla, and I think he is a bit late on this assumption, because in my opinion we are about to see a trend reversal, and I will show you why it might happen soon. So first of all, let me show you this data. We are on fintel.io, and this website tracks the activity from institutional investors. And we have a lot of bullish pressure on Tesla. As you can see, we have a lot of white lines with increase of number of shares. This means a lot of institutional investors are buying Tesla stock. On top of that, let me show you that we have a recent update on rating from Morgan Stanley, and on October the 10th they lowered the price target but set the overweight rating, and they set the price target at $350, and it implies about 57% of upside potential. So definitely in the long-term perspective, no doubts that this company will be much more valuable than it is right now, but in a medium-term perspective we have a lot of headwinds. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, why I think we might see a trend reversal, and probable it might happen very soon. First of all, we are approaching to the crucial range of $204.79. It is the bottom of this previous price action, and on a greater scale, if I switch to daily time frame, we can see that if this asset breaks this bottom, this crucial point, we will confirm the WXY correction. And it is happening when we have the failed wave and when we break the previous bottom, as you can see right here. This means we might see lower price targets and we might have much longer consolidation phase. That's why this range might be very strong range of support, and from this level we might have a bounce. On top of that, let me show you indicators. Tesla for now is at oversold territory. As you can see, its RSI number is 25.87. This means we have to see some kind of relief in this movement. And let me show you that on a 4 hours time frame, we have a bullish divergence. And bullish divergence is the pattern when we have higher lows on RSI with the lower lows on the price action. And definitely this pattern shows the potential trend reversal that might happen soon. On top of that, right here, if we connect all the tops right here, first of all these two tops, next one these two tops, next one this, next one this, we can see some kind of curvature. As you can see, let me adjust this tool a bit. So we have some kind of curvature, and probably when we'll see the breakout above the range of I guess 32.5 points on RSI, we will see a massive increase in Tesla's price. This means the U-turn is near and we have to be prepared for this. On top of that, we have their earnings report that will be published on October 19th. So I guess in a matter of 1 week we will see this trend reversal, and that's why you have to be prepared for this price action. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.